What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's me on a Sunday down here. Steph's had to shoot off to Auckland and grab Cody because his racing got cancelled today, so she's gonna head up there with Charlie and pick him up. And Harper's gone to her cousins, go hang out with them, and we have one day pretty much to get this Seth paint ready. I kind of was in the shower this morning and kind of had like a light bulb moment, and it's like, oh shit. Clint and Jimmy from Red Star are coming here tomorrow to wrap them, and that's not really it. So we do have a few more cars, obviously. So the Seth's like going to be the last one, I would say, to be painted, because yeah, it's obviously in the worst condition. So we have Steph's Street 13, pretty much that. I think that one's ready. It just needs a bit of a clean. That one's ready. This will be ready today. I'll put the front guards on it, put the front together, and give it a wipe down, and that one should be ready. This one is going to be ready enough, I think, for everything we've got. And then also, we have another car coming down. It will be here this afternoon, so yeah, you guys stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm down here by myself at the moment. I think some of the lads are going to come give me a hand later on when they can. But yeah, I'm just going to kind of crack into it. First, I've got to check how many sanding discs I've got before I get too many cars out. I want to check that I've got everything so then I can go and get it all. And yeah, far out. So we've got the flares, they're going on in the back here. Marsh we want to sand the roof. It's a little bit wavy, and obviously when it's black it'll be pretty obvious, but I'm really not too bothered on it. Like, it's so much better than it ever was. So we're going to sand it back and then see what's left and see how it looks. I do really ultimately want to get the doors on because I want to keep the dust from going, the doors on and the windows, but to keep the dust from going inside the car. But I don't know if I'll be able to. I don't know, once I get the car outside I might try and swing the doors on, unless someone is able to come in their hand sooner. We'll be able to do that. But yeah, I don't know, I'll cover the seat maybe, because I don't really want that getting covered in dust and the motor. So yeah, alright guys, she's gonna be a big day. Yeah, far out. I guess let's just get into it. Well, I wasn't going to bore you guys while I was outside sanding. Holy. I've resanded the roof. It's not as bad as I thought it was. And just kind of ran over everything. It was nice and smooth. Now, we've got some parts to go pick up from Marsh, so we'll go check those out. We'll be back in a sec. Right, we're back. We have Marsh here. We have just actually smashed it out. We're putting the front doors on. Everything is mint. We're not going to put the windscreens in because we kind of can't and don't have time. So what we're going to do, push it back outside, sand, just give the front doors another go over because I've already done the rear. That's good enough. And then we'll drive it around to Marsh's and we can drop it off and get it masked up and ready to go. And because hopefully we can paint it today, potentially. I don't know. You know, we're nearly there, but the doors actually work really well. And we've got the wing mirrors in there. I don't know where the original ones are. And we've also got a van load of parts from Marsh as well. So yeah, we'll just push this outside, do the final bit of sanding, and then we'll go for a drive. Alright, we are done. We're just giving it a quick blow off. Got it started, and yeah, we'll just drive it around to Marsh's before it rains, because it looks like it's fucking pretty average weather today. So yeah, we'll get this round to there and start masking it up. Alright, here we go. It actually has a little bit of brakes too, which is good. No windscreen though, it's a little bit chilly. Right, so we've just got a feed. And look, we've got some friends here today. So Marsh has just given the mask up. What are you up to, brother?
Everything was left loose.
Yeah, perfect. Because bro, it was driving down the road and I was like, this is so dangerous.
Did you drive it?
Yeah.
Oh, is that you making those mean S's down the road?
Yeah bro, hard out. You see me? No, that was the Ford. Yeah, this thing's only got one axle in it. I was like, bro, and it has no brakes. Right, I thought, fuck, we haven't got any brakes, but it actually had enough pedal feel to make it work. Yeah, well, it hasn't been bled because we had the whole rear apart.
Yeah, is that all it needs?
Yeah, just another bleed, so it'll be right. But yeah, so, no, got the front guards for this car. And that's mint, so we're into it. At the workshop now, and Grant's been here. He's actually just been cleaning up. It's been sick because we need to really clean this place up enough for Clint to be able to come here and apply the graphics to the cars. Probably get him to do it all in this bay just so it kind of keeps it tidy, and he's got enough room around each car. I don't know what his plan is, whether he does just one car at a time or tries to do the whole lot. Like the same, I don't know, whatever. We'll just see. But we need to have the ones that go, and we'll just kind of put them here, and yeah, hopefully we'll just, you know, tell them how to start them and whatever. But yeah, just painted the front bash bar of my car, and we've just got to, yeah, really put the Laurel back together because I think we have everything for that, so we can put that together. And we really still need to give them a fucking clean because they're so dusty from being in here. Need to move Zach's car. I think we'll probably move his car over here and get it, yeah, back into where it was, and try and organise this. But yeah, it's already like 6 o'clock, so we'll just got a long night ahead, I think. So yeah, we'll just keep going. Did the old switcheroo. Got the Laurel in here. We do need to paint the bash bar, but that is like not a necessity right now, and you can't see it once the bumper's on, so that doesn't really matter. And we need to get this car like 100%. So yeah, we've got the guards up on the bench, got side skirts, headlights and grille and everything, so we should be able to just yeah, make this thing look finished. Oh, let's get into it. So this car's done. It's sitting there ready for Clint to start tomorrow. That'll be the first one I think he'll do because it's easy. It starts easy, he can move it out, and then we can give him the next one, which will probably be this one because it's the next, well, I don't know, closest to being done. Next he's just got back from Supercars, and we're just sorting out the line that we've got to do between the breather off the cover here to the bulkhead and the firewall, and then up through to the dry sump tank, and then we'll just tee it up into here. It'll be right, but I forgot to pick up the part, so that's a bit annoying. But yeah, everything should work. We're going to take Steph's car for a waff. We'll take it, drop it off. We'll take it home tonight, and then it'll be good to go in the morning. So yeah, where are we? I think this one, the only thing that is wrong with this one, I don't know what's going on here, but the back guard doesn't seem to, like, the bumper wants to be there like that, but it's way down here. I don't know. The other side's fine, so fuck, I don't know. This car's pretty bent, but this guard shouldn't, we might just cut it through here, trim it right off to square this back up, and then we can use it, I don't know, something like that. Pull it forward, who knows. Alright, so everyone's gone home now, and it's just a quick one. Today's video is just really quick, showing what we're getting up to, because in the next one, it's all on wrapping the cars. So yeah, super excited. We've got the Laurel here, the 13 here, everything's, they're good enough to go, I believe. So yeah, it's going to be sick to see this, see them all done. yeah, fuck, really excited. And I hope you guys are too. It's going to be a bit of a different look for us. Obviously going black, but yeah, super excited. Can't wait to see the AWS graphics design done on our cars, thanks to Red Star Signs. So they're gonna they've cut it all, and they'll be applying it over the next couple of days. So yeah, super excited to see how that's going to turn out. We'll see. We've got a lot of wheels to still do. Marsh is he's got to paint probably, I think it's like 24 wheels or something. So yeah, sorry brother, but everyone's been troopers, honestly. Can't thank everyone enough. You know, Grant for all his hours after work and stuff, and then Marsh painting everything. Just everybody that's had anything to do with these cars over the last few weeks, especially after I came up with the idea of painting them all and redoing the graphics. So yeah, super stoked and really excited to see how we get on. Yeah, Steph's got a street car over there too, which is going to be cool to be able to just get out back and drive it again. We've had it parked up for a while, so we've got a few other goodies with that, so we need to get them on the car and yeah, kind of move forward with that as well. But it all just takes time and money and everything. So yeah, I'm fucking just exhausted. It's been hectic, and yeah, I've got a big couple of days at work before the Night Ride boys come. So yeah, it's going to be pretty hard and going to be super tired, but also super exciting. So yeah, please again guys, head to the merch shop, thechoicefiles.co.nz, and get yourself some of our gear. And also we will be heading to Thrash Garage in Christchurch on Sunday night. We have a meet there. So yeah, please, I'll get Leo to chuck the poster up on screen now. Yeah, if you guys are in Christchurch or in the South Island kind of thing, come check it out, come see us. We'll be there with the Night Ride boys, and myself and Steph will be making our way down, and we're going to have a bit of merch there too. So please come out, support, and yeah, we're in for a big couple of weeks with the boys. It's going to be fun. So yeah, please again guys, make sure you do like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one.